o the oingoa o Moena. Hi, my name is Moena. Felau ainga, transport. Today we're going to be learning about transport that goes on the land, the ele ele. I'm going to need your help today because I have things in my ato that I'm not quite sure what they are. Do you think you can help me? Okay, so I'm going to describe them to you. Can you help me find out what they are? So our first one has four wheelie. So it has 4 wheels. It's got 2 doors. So our first one has fa wheelie. That's 4 wheels. It has lua faitotoa. That's 2 doors. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4 fa fa'amalama, and it is lanu violet, and it makes the sound boom 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 boom. Do you know what it might be? Yes, it's a ta'avale. Ta'avale lanu violet, a purple car. Lele tele. Our next one has ono wili. It sometimes has a long carriage and it can carry tele tangata. It can carry lots of people and sometimes it can carry lots of things. It is lanu moana. It is lanu moana, so it's blue, but I'm pretty sure it can have lots of different colors. This one, there's lots of smoke, so it has lots of smoke, but sometimes they can go on electricity. It makes a sound chugga 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 choo choo, chugga 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 choo choo. Do you know what this is in my bag? Yes, it is a nofoa afi, a train. So this nofoa afi is lanu moana, which means it is blue. Okay, our next thing in our bag has fa wheelie, so it's got 4 wheels. It's tele, very big. It has tele fa'amalama, lots of windows, and tele tangata. It has lots of people inside. So it's got 4 wheels, lots of people, and this one is lanu mumu, so it's red. So the wheels go around and around. Go round and around. Can you do that? Around and around. What do you know that has wheels that go around and around? Yes, ole pasi. So the bus has lots of people inside, and there's lots of people inside, and this one is lanu mumu, which is red. Our next one is very, very big. So it's very big. It's lanu sama, so it's yellow. It has fa wheelie, 4 wheels, and it carries lots and lots of things. And sometimes it can carry rocks, sometimes it can carry dirt, sometimes it can carry tires, and sometimes it can carry cars. It has a horn and it can go boop 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 boop. Do you think you know what's in my bag? Yes, it is a lolly, a truck. So we have our lolly, sama, so our yellow truck. We have our bussy, lanu mumu, so we've got our red bus. We've got our nofua afi, lanu moana, so we've got our blue train, and we have our ta'avale, lanu violet, our purple car. Thank you so much for helping me. Tamaiti, tasi, lua, tolu, fa. O wili o le basiela, poto ela, poto ela, poto. O wili o le basiela, poto, peata amilo ile a ai. O wili o le basiela, poto ela, poto ela, poto. O wili o le basiela, poto peata amilo.